Have you ever bought something and then realized you have no idea how to use it? That can be incredibly frustrating. So frustrating, in fact, that it might make you return the product, leave a bad review, and swear to never buy from that company again. And while your negative experience can result in wasted time, money, and headache, for the company that sells the product, the losses can be a lot bigger. That's why animated video tutorials are such a crucial component of any company's customer service. Here are 5 major reasons why your company needs them. Video tutorials can help users better understand complex concepts or procedures. And when it comes to simplifying anything, nothing beats animation. Breaking down tasks into easy to understand steps and illustrating them with drawn visuals guarantee that users will not only understand what you do, but retain the information longer. Studies have shown that people remember visual content better than text. This means animations can make it easier for users to recall information. Take, for example, the tutorial we created for our client Swap.Kiwi. Swap.Kiwi is a platform that allows you to safely swap NFTs with users from all over the world. They needed a quick guide on how to perform the exchange on the website. Animation allowed us to create a minimalist mock-up of their site, which shows only the essential process of the swap without any distractions. This way, viewers can understand and remember the process. By providing helpful information and demonstrating your expertise, you can establish yourself as a knowledgeable and trustworthy source. This can help convince potential customers that your products or services are worth investing in. On the other hand, animation can ensure you're consistent in your presentation. Using the same characters, backgrounds, and visual elements can help reinforce your brand and make your content more recognizable. Our client at Swap.Kiwi also has a mascot that we animated in the video. Most importantly, animated tutorials make users feel supported and cared for by the brand and help you build trust with your audience. Wouldn't you trust that face? Demonstrating the benefit of your product in a clear and engaging way can increase your conversion rates. By showing how what you're selling works, you showcase the value to your prospects and convince them to make a purchase. Video tutorials can also help address common concerns or questions that potential customers might have about your product and clear any doubts. For example, in our Swap.Kiwi tutorial, we demonstrated all the security measures that take place to prevent misuse or fraud while swapping NFTs. This answers customer concerns about the safety of the platform in advance. Animated tutorials significantly reduce your costs in several ways. When you offer your clients the opportunity to learn how to use your product, you no longer need to rely on a huge customer service team. In fact, studies show that clients are more inclined to watch a tutorial than contact chat, phone, or email support. People rarely want to talk to a customer service rep until they really need to. Animation is also usually more cost-effective than live action. You don't have to worry about location fees, actors, or crew members, and you can easily update or modify your animation as needed without expensive reshoots. The tutorials for Swap.Kiwi are a great example. The simple mock-up of their UI is very easy to update in case they rebrand or change any of the current functionality. Design can be adjusted very quickly and at a very low price. Video tutorials are a great way to engage your website visitors or social media followers and keep them hooked longer. People are more likely to watch a video than to read a lengthy article, so video tutorials can help boost user engagement. Video content is also highly valued by search engines, which means that having a video tutorial on your website can help improve your search engine rankings. This can lead to increased visibility and traffic to your site and more potential sales. Animated video tutorials can be a powerful tool for increasing your bottom line. By providing valuable information in a cost-effective and widely accessible way, you can establish a strong relationship with your potential and existing clients. Do you want an animated tutorial for your brand? Click the link below to get in touch with us for a free consultation. I'm gonna see you next time.